Hello, this is Delroy. Today I will be sharing with you all the solution of programming assignment 1 of Swayam/NPTEL The Joy of Computing Using Python printing pattern. So I will be explaining you all how to code this, even though this is a simple program. For those of you who don't really care and just want the code's here, and also I will be putting a link in the description with the code. So the problem statement is we take an input number and the output has to give that many number of rows along with values of 1 to the number. So in this fashion 1 1 2 1 2 3. So the way we do this is first we take the input, we will need an array to store the numbers, and now we need to populate the array with 1 2 and 3, because then we can iterate over that and print it in the fashion they wanted. So here we need to append the value 1 first, not 0. So we can't append I here. We can instead make element index equal to 1 and append index here. The next iteration we want to append 2, so index, we increment index. Okay, so now the array will have 1 2 3 in it. You can check that. Yes, so now to print it in this fashion 1 2 3 and this rows, we will need to make a loop again. So we want to start from the number 1, so we can't let it be 0, so we start from 1 to n. So if we do this, it's gonna iterate only twice. If it's 3, so we need to increase the size also by 1, and we need to print that. So here if we do this, it's gonna print 1 2 and 3, which is not what we want. We want all the values up to the ith element, so we can use the splice notation, that is colon, to print all the elements before I up till the ith element. So if we print this from this, yeah, it's showing 1 1 2 1 2 3. We put this in Swayam, so there'll be an error because we didn't remove the brackets and the new line after the last row. So to do that, it's very simple. To remove the brackets while printing an array, you just need to put an asterisk before the array name, and we'll need to put a condition for if the index equal to the last index. So if it's the last row, that is the length of the array, then we need to print we can set the end parameter as blank so that it won't put a /n by default, else we print the same. Do it. Yes, there you go. So I will be posting the solutions for assignment 2 and 3 soon. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.